what instruction manual works for you or what is your instruction manual, it's important to understand what makes us different. The entire instruction manual of the chemical factory that we are is encoded in these 23 chromosome pairs. And think about that as 23 chapters of your instruction manual. And in each chapter, there are subsections or paragraphs. Those are your genes. And there are 3 billion character pairs that basically define your instruction manual. And it is almost the same for all of us, almost, because 1.3 million of those 3 billion character pairs for somebody where there is a C, for somebody else it's a T. And that's what makes somebody tall or somebody short, somebody fair, somebody dark, or that's the difference for whom almond may be a superfood, while for somebody else that may not be, that may be an inflammatory food. And that's just half the story, because we are made of about 30 trillion cells, and the other 30 trillion cells is what Naresh was talking about, is there are 30 trillion gut bacteria that is in our body. And each bacteria is its own chemical factory. They have their own DNA code, and this bacteria is producing, as Naresh mentioned, they eat the food or the remaining of the food of what we eat and create short-chain fatty acid. They create different kinds of metabolites. 80% of the serotonin that is produced in our gut. And the range of genetic variants that you have in the bacteria far exceeds our own genetic variants, because all our cells have the same genetic code.